Hey fellow YouTubers, good to have you here again.
I've been wondering if YouTube or the YouTube algorithm actually ignores our small channels. Do they care about us, or is it something to do with the real estate page? Guys, let's go and have a look at this. Come into the office with me and let's talk about it.
So as we say, YouTube algorithm, the YouTube itself, are they ignoring us small channels? Are they actually leaving us in the lurch? And I've looked at this and I've researched this. Like I said to you guys, I was going to look into this scenario because I'm looking at this and thinking, are channels not getting to the next level? And as I've said to you, we've gone through the logical trading, we've gone through the 23, and we've gone through this channel, and I've watched what's happening, and I've tweaked things, and I've changed things, and I've changed the editing, and I've looked at the audio, and I know audio is a problem, and there's issues with this and issues with that, and we keep on trying to improve things, but we never get to that next level very easily. And I've looked at the reasons behind that, and I think one of the main reasons is
the Mediterranean diet is widely considered one of the healthiest diets there is. After all, it avoids processed foods and is built on a bedrock of super healthy foods. However, Egyptian scientists have recently uncovered an ancient Mediterranean ritual that studies show can deliver 11 times better fat loss results than the diet itself. Tap below to see how and why it works so well.
Is that YouTube's only got so much real estate on their front page. And who do they give that real estate to? Are they going to give it to you and me, the new YouTubers? Are they going to say, oh, we trust you guys, we're going to give you a shot and put your videos out there? Now, my question to that is, I get their point. I get their point because they're not sure, firstly, if you're going to be consistent, if you're going to be a YouTuber in a year's time, if you're still going to be around, if you're going to bite your nails and hold on, or if you're just going to dump everything and walk away because you've burnt out and this just isn't working out for you, because you're working for nothing at the end of the day. So they've got to trust you to put your video out to those big time viewers. So they'll trust the guys like Mr. Beast, and there's a few of these other guys. I saw a guy doing 1-star hotels and getting 10 million views on his video. There's a few car guys out there like Matt Armstrong and Hoovy and a couple of others that are getting millions of views on their videos. I think Matt gets like 7 million views on a video. He's growing like crazy. I believe he's one of the fastest growing YouTubers. People like that, they've got channels that people are really interested in, and YouTube algorithm or YouTube themselves tend to trust them because they know that if they put their video out on those pages that people look at, they're going to get views. But they don't know if they put my video out in front of people, is it going to go well or not? And they don't even know if I'm still going to be a YouTuber in a year's time. Am I still going to be consistent? Am I still going to be out there and around? But my point of view on that is, if you don't give us a chance, then you're never going to know, are you? You're never going to know whether it's going to work out, because let's be honest, if you take a new YouTuber and you put their video out there and it succeeds, they're going to continue putting YouTube videos out because it's great. It's exciting if your YouTube video starts to succeed, because then, you know, people are appreciating the art that you've put out there. People are appreciating the show that you've put out there to them. So it makes it something that people want to watch, and it makes you feel good because people want to watch it. Whereas if they don't put it out there and it doesn't get impressions, then you start to wonder if you should even bother. I'm saying this because one of my last logical trading videos actually went out there and it didn't get impressions. So I was looking at it, the CTR was good, the watch time was good on it, but it wasn't getting the impressions that I expected it to get. I expected it to get far more impressions from the whole deal. I'm not going to go and do what I usually do and go through the channels today. I'm just talking about this today because it's a subject of interest, and I think it's something we should comment on and think about and discuss. Maybe we should discuss it in the community tabs. I don't know. I'm just looking at this whole picture and thinking, maybe there's a point when they decide that it's time for your channel to get a chance and they push your videos out there, and maybe it goes better. Or maybe it is just at the end of the day that your videos are crap and nobody wants to watch them. It's a question I raise. Is it the algorithm that's saying to you, well, we're not just going to give you guys all the chances you need, we're going to put you out there, give you a feeler, and if it's not perfect, we're going to pull it? Because if you're not getting impressions, that means YouTube hasn't put it out there. And that's my question. Why did the video not get the impressions that I expected it to get? Because if you've given it impressions and the CTR is bad, then I can understand that. But if you haven't given it any impressions, how the hell are we supposed to get our videos out there? Yeah, it's a question. It's a question I've raised. I've done some research. I've been doing some research on it, and I'll do some more research on it and see where I come out. But let me know what you guys think. Do you guys feel the same way as me? I don't want to blame the algorithm in YouTube. I don't blame my videos. I know I've got to work on my videos. My videos have got to be much, 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 much better. But by the same token, at what point does YouTube say, here's the video, let's give it loads of impressions and see what happens. Is each video treated with its own individuality? Does each video get a chance? Because maybe your last video did bad, so they think maybe your next video is going to do bad as well. But we improve as we go, so maybe I'll find that secret source between the last video and the next video, and nobody knows about it because YouTube doesn't give you impressions because your last video was crap. I don't know. We got to see what's going on with this. Guys, I hope I haven't bored you too much. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch the last video, and cheers till next week. Bye.